We like to get engaged very early on in the process. And so what we'll do is we'll reach out to an architect. They may be working on a project, just developing some renderings, some concepts of what they're going to be doing. And then what we really like to do is then get engaged at that point, work with them on the model that they've generated thus far. And then what we do is we take that model, the wireframe specifically, and then we build it out with enhanced content. So then as this goes through its iterations and as it finds its final design, we've been able to stay lockstep along the way, not just in the technology piece, but also in the budget piece, making sure that we're mindful of the money and spend. And then we take that digital twin that we've created and we start converting it into the machining instructions that drive CNC machines to production. And so it really limits the amount of opportunity for error, and it strengthens the adherence to the design that the architect's looking for and the owner is paying for.